What's up, guys? We are back. Good afternoon. It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a marvelous afternoon. We're back to talk about how to earn daily profits, how to become a digital marketing boss. All right. We show you step by step how to do it. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys. I am super excited. I've got to show you this. All right. When I saw this, and I've been watching this for a while, I said, I've got to show you guys this. How baby boomers are crushing the heck out of these $600 payments. When I tell you, you're never too old. Okay, it's only a mindset. If you believe you are, then you are, right? But I'm here to show you, and I'm here to prove to you that people are doing this. Baby boomers. Okay, so if they can do it, we always say you can do it, right, guys? Because that's what people always think. Oh, I'm too old to learn this technical stuff, this new age stuff. No, you're not, guys. As long as you apply yourself and follow the steps and be consistent, you can do it too. All right, so let's take a look at this. Let me show you just some data, just some basic information here. Let's check this out real quick. All right, first want to go over this information. All right, and we go to Google and we typed in here Gen Xers or baby boomers, right? So what are the ages, right? Me personally, I'm a Gen X. I'm excited and proud of that, right? Now, so we got our millenniums from 81 to 96, that's 28 to 43. We got Gen Xers, 65 to 1980, 44 to 59, age. We got our boomers from 1955, starts at 1955 up through 1947 and beyond below that. That is age 60, a baby boomer, age 60 and above. Do you know we have baby boomers in our community? Okay. That's earning these $600 commissions, $300 commissions. Okay, guys? So this is the range. If you fall in here as a baby boomer or Gen X, guys, you are not too old. It's never too late to learn. It's all a mindset. It's all in your mind. So if we give you the exact blueprint you need to succeed, if you can follow it and be consistent, you too can have success with this program. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that real quick. So let's go over here and let me just show you. Hang on. So one of our members, which was a great idea, decided to say, hey, well, I want to see how many Gen Xers or boomers are in here. And I know I talk to people like that too, that say, hey, I'm too old. I don't think I could learn this stuff. So this was great that this was posted here. So let's just go through this right here. So we've got this posted. We're in our community. And I just want to run through this real quick just to show you guys. We have all ages in our community that's following this proven blueprint that are having success. So it doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your background, if you have experience or not. If you can follow the simple steps and be coachable and consistent, you too can succeed with this program. All right, guys. So let's just run through it real quick. Check it out. I'm just going to run this down. Look, here's somebody that's 54. All right. Let's keep going. 70. Will soon be 71. Going on 60. 56. 55, 60, 69, pushing 70, 65. Let's keep going. 64, 60, 60, 68, 48. So one born in 76, 60. I'm just running these ages so you can hear them. 54. Pay attention. 53, 59, about to be 60 in April. 62, about to be 63 in August. 50, 50, 50, 51, 61, 60, 50 plus, 54, 57, 54, 52, 70, 64, 63 and a half, 50, 59, 52, 45, Gen Xer, 53, 55, 52, 46, about to be 47. So what I'm saying is I wanted you to see this, and not me just tell you when I speak to people on the phone or folks email me, hey, I'm too old. Do you have any folks that's 50 plus doing this and it's working for them? Here you are, guys. And you wouldn't even think in your mind, are these people this age interested in making money online? Obviously so. You see it here. And we've shown you, even on some of our webinars, we've shown you folks that this is working for. Grandparents, okay? So you're never too old if you want this to work, okay? It's just a matter of how bad you want it, okay? So if folks from any walk of life can get in here that have no idea about making money online, nothing about social media, nothing about how to earn online, can get in here and follow these steps, so can you guys. It's all on you. But we're giving you the blueprint, okay? So I had to show you guys this because it's telling you about it is not, you're not connecting. So now you can see we're in our community. Let me see how many folks we got in here. Hang on. All right, we got 10.5 folks in this community. Okay, amazing. This is what I love. I love to see people win. I love to see where folks just come in here. Doesn't matter their age, their background, and they can succeed with this program, Blueprint. You can do it too, guys. So anyway, if you want to become a digital affiliate boss, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. You got to get started with this. We've got 3 new products that's going to be coming out, launching this month. But if you're not already a part of the community, you won't be able to get access to them. But if you are, guess what? It's only going to be $29 to get access to 3 more digital products. We already have 4. That's 4 incomes we've got. We got $50, $150, $300, and $600 products, right? That's 4 different products. We're going to add 3 more. That's from the community. That's not IPS's products, but because if you purchase the digital products, the IPS products that we're offering, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'll be able to add you in the community, and you'll get access to those new 3 products that's coming out this month for only $29. Those 3 products are going to be a $100 product, a $300 product, and a $600 product. So we're going to have access to 7 products, guys. That's 7 income streams. Do you understand? This is powerful. This is very, 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 very powerful. All right. So go check this out. We've got 4 products you can choose from. Let me show you. Hang on a second here. All right. So you come here. There's the 4 products here. All you got to do is pick one of these products. Get started. I'm going to send you an email. Okay. I'm going to send you an email. And it's going to have a link in there that's going to add you to the community. Okay. You can only be invited to this private community we have. Just because people have purchased IPS, whenever they purchased it, if they're not a part of the community, they're not going to have access to this products that's coming out this month. Okay, so that's key. All right, so we've got a $50 product. We've got a $150 product. We've got a $300 product. These are the top 2, the $300 and the $600. Those are the top 2 selling products. Okay, just so you know, you get in where you fit in. But if you purchase any one of these 4, I will add you to the community over there that I just showed you. And then when those products launch here in the next couple weeks, you will have access to get them for $29, just like I will. Okay? So the website fee, everything here is a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. So your website fee is going to be $39 or $59. It just depends on which product you select. If you select the $600 product, which you're all in, you leave no money on the table, it's going to be $59. So this one would be $659. This one would be $339. This one would be $189. And then this one would be $89. Okay, so you decide where you want to get started. But just know this is blowing up. Okay, and you're going to see me more talking about the new products when they come out, right? So you definitely want to get started with me in this, all right? If you have any questions, let me know, but go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Watch the little short video there. It's going to explain everything. Then I'm going to put a link in the description for our last webinar, so you can check that out as well, and it will explain everything from A to Z. If you have questions from there, let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and get started, guys. Get in. This is powerful. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra income, even if you're working, you can do this in between your breaks, sometime throughout the day. We give you a blueprint where you can fit it in within 2 hours. Break it up, 10 minutes here, 30 minutes here, 40 minutes here, and you can promote this from your smart device. Okay? All right, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.